What's up, YouTube? How you doing? This is Sekalani. I want to show you the comparison between the iOS 5 beta 3 with the iOS 4.3.3. People say that apparently iOS 5.3 beta 3 is faster, etc. It works better, and I just had it for one day, the iOS 5 beta 3, and I want to just let you know exactly my views on it. So on the right hand side, yeah, we have the iOS 5 beta 3. On the left hand side, yeah, we have the iOS 4.3 final version, which we all have as a public. Since I'm a developer, I could have iOS 5 beta 3. But just comment on this video and then I'll be able to actually hook you up. I'll be able to actually sign your UDID. Just email me, I'll give you my address after this. Anyway, let me just prove that this is iOS 5 beta 3. So, on the iPhone on the right, let's go to settings. Let's go to settings there. Let's go to back. Now let's go to about. Then let's go to version. As we could see, 5.0985259F. So that's proof this is iOS 5 beta 3. Let's hit the home button. Now on this device, let's prove this is iOS 4.3.3. Go to settings. We go to general, we go to about, and now we're going to version 4.3.3 8J2. Cool. So now you both believe me that this is iOS 5.3 beta 3, and that right there is iOS 4.3.3. So what's new in iOS 5? Let's see. First thing I could show you, 10% battery remaining. Better be quick. If you go into settings, let me go back. We will be able to see that there's new notification services. And you go down, and then you notice there's a system services. Whoa, what's that? That's something new that's been introduced. If you tap onto that, you could get cell network services and all these new things that Apple has invented. But obviously that will be final in the iOS 5, the final release version. But this is just something that's really cool. But if you carry on going down, you can actually status bar icon. It shows the location service icon in the status bar when the service above request your location. So every single time you turn this on, for example, I turn it on now. If you look at my status bar right there, let the focus. You can see that purple thing right there? Yeah. That actually shows every time you turn it on. But if you turn it off, it doesn't show anything at all on the status bar. That's new. And all of these other things are new. Like, for example, if you're in traffic, you'll be able to show your location, where if you want to see if there's any traffic, etc. That's something really, really, really cool. That's the first new thing in iOS 5 beta 3. What else is new? If I go back, and then I go back, and let's say I want to go all the way to general. I scroll all the way down. Oh, let me show you something. There's been a new wording, iTunes Wi-Fi sync. Before that wasn't there. That was just Wi-Fi sync only. But now they've actually changed. They're actually able to wirelessly sync your apps, music, all that stuff from your Mac or iCloud to your device. That's really, really cool. But obviously it does work. And I'll probably show you another video on that later, but that does work, and it's really, really cool. What else is new? Software update. If you tap that, I'll be able to actually show you which software you have and see if to check for any updates, even over 3G. Yeah, even over 3G, you know what I mean? So instead of having to go over Wi-Fi to check for updates, you can do that over 3G. But obviously there is no iOS 5 yet for the public. It says, yeah, iOS 5.0, your software is up to date. Done. That's another new function. That was there before, but that wouldn't show the same wording as before. We go all the way down. We go to accessibility. If we go scroll a bit down, custom vibrations, we know about that. iOS 5 beta 2, hopefully you know about that. LED flash, we know about that as well. But if you go all the way down and you go to excessive touch, and if we turn, if we turn that on, This includes new functions to the actual phone, but takes time to actually load. What this basically does, it allows you to use your iPhone in a different way. For example, if you don't have 5 fingers like these big old fingers of mine, if you don't have 5 fingers, you're able to use this assistive touch in order to go to your home screen, to switch apps, etc. And you can actually also be able to create custom gestures too. But I'll show you that a bit later. What about general? Back. Nothing else has really been new. Nothing else really, except for Safari. Instead of having clear history, clear cookies, then 2 separate bars now. So clear history is in a different bar. When I clear my history, clear cookies is in a different bar. Clear cookies and data. It says here, this will clear data that could be used for tracking, etc., and all that kind of stuff. You clear that, and also, if you go on the advanced menu, which is new, you can remove website data from there. I got 0 bytes because this is brand new. What else is new? Messages? Nothing really. Oh, the iMessage only works with Ios5 beta 3 to Ios5 beta 3. It doesn't work to any other betas. What else is new? Store? No, nothing. Photos? Nothing. Video. Video has changed a lot. I'll show you that just now. If I hit the home button, then go to my videos. Where's videos? There we go. If I tap into videos, I'm able to see all of my videos, but I got no videos at all. But instead of going to the iTunes store, you could just tap onto video itself, which would take you all the way to iTunes store. Let me show you that. If I tap on the store there, or start loading the iTunes store, let me say cancel. I'll actually load the iTunes store for you and search all the movies and videos, etc. That's something that's really cool that's been introduced. That's really, 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 really cool. That's like a new function. Also, in the music, you're also able to go through the music store through your music app. So you just tap on your store, top there, it's loading. Sorry for the bad light, guys. I'm just trying my best here. And it actually loads the music store for you right there. That is really cool. So those are like the new functions. What else is new? Newsstand is still not working at all. So that'll probably be working the final release version. We're just waiting for the assistive touch. That takes time to actually come on the screen. But I'll probably show you that in the second video for the iPhone 4. And yeah, there it is. Popping right there. You see that? Yep. Right there on the bottom right. What does that do? If I tap onto it, it opens up gestures. Gestures, device, home, all those things. Favorites, device. So if I tap on the gestures, I'm able to create a 2-finger gesture, a 5-finger gesture, a 4-finger gesture, or a 3-finger gesture, depending on how I want it exactly. If I tap on device, I'm able to volume up, shake the device if I need to volume up, shake the device. I can volume down, as you can see in the background, volume is down, volume up. I can also lock my screen, as I just did. I tap that again. I'm able to do all these functions, even in my lock screen. That's really, 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 really cool. And then my favorites, let me just unlock this. I'm able to pinch, I'm able to swipe, and all those new functions. That's really, really cool. Let me just unlock this for you. So yeah, I'll be showing you another video just now. So yeah, what else is new in this? This is really, really cool stuff. So you could pinch, you could swipe. You're also able to add custom. Do you see these squares there? You're also able to add, if I tap on the square right there, it makes you actually touch and create a custom gesture, which is new. So if I want to create a gesture, like for example, if I go on circle like that, and then I say save, then I write circle, save, and I hit my home button. Then if I do a circle, my home button. I'm not so sure how it works exactly, but obviously Apple will work hard on that and make it much better. So yeah, stay tuned for the iOS 4.3 versus iOS 5 beta 2 in my next video. Probably going to show you the speed comparisons to see whether this iOS 5 beta 3 is faster than iOS 4.3 in terms of functionality and speed. So yeah, stay tuned. Peace.